Oh yeah? And you're like, where'd you get that from?
No, it's just they.
Yan siya no, yung jerk chicken dyan.
Good idea.
Yan ang you wanna try that?
Yeah. Pero gusto ko yung jollof rice, yung ganyan no. Ayan no,
Where?
jerk chicken with rice and peas.
Oh, okay. Pila ka na eh. Ang haba ng pila. You have to line up.
Pero gusto ko i-try yung jollof rice yan doon. Doon yung jollof rice.
Gusto ko i-try. Gusto ko i-try ito. Magpipila kang haba. Oh.
Dito lang tayo, dito tayo.
Watch that. Are you guys liking anything?
Nasaan ba yun? Hindi ko makita. Andito lang yun eh, yung Africa. Ah, wait.
Anyway, so you're better off walking around.
Yun na lang siya. Wala ko eh. Hindi ko makita na eh.
I'll stand by you. Yeah, 13 tickets. No shame. Keep going.